You want the ball? Okay. Go get it. Bring it here. Good boy. Want to go fetch it? Fetch. Go get it. Good boy. He's a good kitty. He's a good little kitty. He knows how to fetch. Okay. Want to see the ball? Want the ball? Want the ball? Want the ball? Want the ball? Okay. Go get it. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. The ball? Where's the ball? Okay. Bring it here. She's like, no, you can't have it. The ball? The ball? Go get it. Bring it here. Oh, he's a good boy. Who says cats? Cats aren't smart. This one's a very smart one because he knows how to fetch. So now you have it. Say goodbye, Xavier. Say goodbye.